Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the server description on Discord. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and here we have our server. We're going to press on our name and go to server settings. Now, once we are in the server settings, we want to go to server profile, and here we need to scroll a bit down until we see description. And now, as you guys can see, we can tell the world a bit about servers. So for example, we can tell them, hello everybody, and welcome to, let's say, HardReset.Info server. As you guys can see, now here we also get an updated description. So once I delete this, it's gone. So now I can just place it back, click Save Changes, and we will have our description. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.